In this video, I'm going to be breaking down all the details about Jarvis.ai, exactly what it is, how it can help you increase your sales and your conversions. I'm going to talk to you about all the features and benefits of this product. I'm going to be talking to you about the pricing plans. Also, I'm going to give you a huge bonus for an incentive just for signing up for the free trial if you want. Check it out. But the whole goal of this video is to help you see how Jarvis can help you with your business, your content creation, your blog, your SEO. It doesn't matter if you're an influencer or a local mom and pop shop. I believe Jarvis.ai can help you increase your sales.
Yay, capitalism.
Hey, my name is Jonathan, and in this video I want to show you something super cool. Let's jump into the computer.
So first things first, I want to go over the pricing structure. So first off, Jarvis is a copywriting assistant. So it's the easiest way to get great copy fast. I love this. Their community is amazing. I want to go over the pricing structure really quick. So the starter plan is $29 a month. You get 20,000 credits. This is great for short form content. You get the 50 plus different scripts, headlines, descriptions, bios, social media, stuff like that. Then it jumps over to the Pro Unlimited Words. So this is, you get unlimited amount of words. This is for long form content. This is for blog posts, video scripts, landing pages. You can actually write books with the Pro mode as well. You get 50 plus scripts. They have so much different stuff that they want to help you create your content and help you grow your business. The community is amazing. I think you should definitely check out the Academy. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. So I'm on the boss mode, right? So you can use commands for this. So this is $119 a month. So this is great for anybody that's pumping out as much content as possible. And they've got recipes. It's basically a script, and it will help you maximize your time as quickly as possible. So I've been on this, and this has been helping me create massive amounts of content, everything from YouTube to social media to Pinterest to Quora. I've been using Jarvis like crazy. So it's $119 a month, and it is by far the best artificial intelligence copywriting platform that I've found. And they're always trying to improve as much as possible. So let's jump into the dashboard really quick. So if you're not signed up for Jarvis.ai yet, go to 1-800-copywriter.com. There's a link in the description. You get a 5-day membership that'll help you learn how to make $100 to $500 extra a day with Jarvis. Got a bunch of bonus for you as well. Grab a free trial. You get 20,000 free credits, and it goes from everything from long form assistance to tried and proven copywriting formulas. This is great. AIDA is great for Facebook ads. They've got problem, agitate, solve, content improver, and legitimately they just keep investing more and more money into this copywriting software, and their whole goal is to help you as much as possible. There's so many different ways and businesses that you can create with this software. So I've been using this legitimately on everything from emails to writing landing pages as well. If you want to check out a landing page that I recently did, it was actually for the affiliate bridge page for my Jarvis.ai at 1-800-copywriter.com. If you want to check that out, I wrote 90% of that copy using Jarvis. No BS. I wrote all of the email sequences as well with Jarvis. So you can do different frameworks, ads as well. So I've been rewriting real estate advertisement for my friends. We can do e-commerce. There's a lot of BS going on in the Shopify, Amazon, eBay drop shipping market. And this is where you could actually help a lot of people with their copywriting. There's a lot of newbies that don't know anything about this. And if you plug them into this, you could definitely help out a lot of people and make a lot of money from this as well. So social media. So this is great for the photo post caption. This is great for Twitter, Facebook, whatever social media, any captions realistically. So I've been using the Pinterest pins a lot as well, and the Quora questions. So I've been getting traffic from Quora, and I've been pushing them to my landing page. Engaging questions is great for Facebook groups, or you can scrape Quora and start asking questions. Personal bio is amazing. This is the new stuff. So Google My Businesses, that's another business opportunity there. And then you can go over Google Ad headlines. And then, so the more you use this product, the more it learns and it will get better as well. That's the best part about this, realistically. So there's so many different things you can do with this platform, and they're always coming up with brand new updates. So the recipes, so let's check this out. So you can basically just tell Jarvis, this is a bad one to look at. You can basically tell Jarvis on exactly what to do. Use one of these recipes or one of these scripts. So what I've noticed is the better the content description or the brief is, the more outputs and better outputs you get with Jarvis. So we're going to hit Control Enter here, and then it's going to write a brief about affiliate marketing. So we could actually do the power mode as well. So this is just writing a brief for us. We can put this into our product description and grab a better input for our brief here. I was recently working on a giveaway funnel for a local dog pound. So that's why I had the pit bulls and whatnot up. Great. So all we're doing here is we're legitimately pressing Control Enter, and then Jarvis is doing the rest, okay? But yeah, so I've noticed the better the content description as well as the title, Control C, and then you just keep updating the content description as well, okay? And then I'm just gonna keep going down the line so we can integrate this with, Surfer, Phrase, or Outrank, something like that, and it will help us with our content briefs as well and get a better insight on what's going on with SEO and then the SERPs as well. So we can hit Control J. Great. Control Enter. So there, legitimately, you can start a content marketing agency with this. Hire people from onlinejobs.ph or Upwork and train people on how to use Jarvis with this and actually make a full-blown business out of Jarvis, realistically. So I'm going to put these as H2s. And then we're just going to go down the line here, okay? 5 tips. So what I've been doing, I've been scraping questions from Answer the Public or also as well as Phrase to do a FAQ at the very end. But like legitimately, I don't think that most people realize how crazy this is. And so the more direction that you give Jarvis, the better the outputs are. And day by day, the less you have to do using Jarvis, which is crazy. And there's less and less more duplicate content. I love how it just gives you so many different examples. Let's let him finish this thought. So basically, I'm just going to do this, and I'm going to go down the line. So I like to do this, and then, so the brackets doesn't let Jarvis see what is above. So I like to go through all of this, and then I like to go back, and then I edit it. So I'm in a editor. I'm not writing an article. I'm editing an article, and I'm figuring this out. So I'm the editor from this point on. So instead of me manually writing all this, so we're already up to 800 words. We've got 4 more topics to go, plus the FAQs. So there's so much different stuff that we can do with Jarvis. So I've had a lot of success actually, reaching out on Facebook group for organic to local realtors as well as home improvement, because I'm in the home improvement niche, and to rewriting their ads. So that's my biggest thing. And I've been doing landing pages, bridge pages as well, and creating more blog posts. This is just for the animal shelter. So I was doing a giveaway to try and help them collect more money for their cause, realistically. So this is the AIDA framework. So this is attention, interest, desire, action. So this is, a great proven framework as well. So we can go through here and find the best ad copy that we can to help this animal shelter. And legitimately, we can go through this. We can add, problem, agitate, solve, and weave all of this in together. And realistically, you're the editor now. I keep seeing a lot of people getting hung up on the price of Jarvis. Obviously it starts at $29 a month and then goes up to $119 for the boss mode. To be honest with you, I think it's really inexpensive for your business. If you're creating content with Jarvis, I think you can definitely afford this. There's 1,001 ways that you can make money with Jarvis and make the $119 a month. I actually go over 27 different ways in the membership area of how you can make an extra $100 to $500 a month with Jarvis. These are super simple and tried and true different ways that you can make money with Jarvis. So I definitely think Jarvis is worth it. These AI copywriting software is worth it. There's so many different ways that you can make money, save time with this. If you're scared about the price of Jarvis, sign up for your 20,000 credits and then get a different email. I don't know what else to tell you, but I think that there's so many different ways, especially even on the 20,000 credits, you can find a way to make money. Plus they have a 7-day money back guarantee. So if you have any questions about Jarvis, leave them down below. So I'm going to give you an incentive here. So if you want to check out the trial, go to 1-800-copywriter.com. It will take you to a page just like this warning. You don't have to be a professional guru to make money online. And then I've got a VSL here. So that's a virtual sales letter. I did this whole page. 90% of this copy is with Jarvis. Then it goes over everything. So I've got a bunch of bonuses that will help you save time and money. So it just goes over everything about Jarvis and different features and benefits. And then I go into my bonuses. I've got a free 5-day Jarvis AI Intensified mini course. It's going to show you how to make $100 to $500 a month with Jarvis. There's legitimately 27 different ways that I know of how you can make $100 to $500 extra a month with Jarvis. And if you stay on, I'm going to give you 6 weeks personal mentoring from me, coaching calls as well. I've got 5-minute content builder recipes, premium software to boost leads and engagements on Facebook and LinkedIn that I'm going to give you for free. So it's a $97 value. And this pre-built affiliate bridge page, I'm going to give you this so you can give this away or use it for yourself. And I've got a secret bonus that's helped me create an extra 6 figures in my brick and mortar. Basically, any business that needs leads, this secret bonus will help you collect more leads and make more money in your business. And then all of this, so I've got $4,448 worth of bonuses for free. All you have to do is sign up. It takes 2 seconds and enter your name, enter your email. If you want to jump on a phone call, I'll jump on a phone call with you as well. If you have any questions, and then this will shoot you over to the membership. I'm going to show you this really quick. So it's going to shoot you over to this page here. This is the Jarvis AI Intensified 5-day workshop, where it shows you how to make an extra $100 to $500 a month with Jarvis. So I've been getting a lot of spam from this. So I've been getting a lot of leads that are giving me fake email addresses and they're not getting into the membership. And then I get emails saying, hey, I didn't get it. You know what I mean? So make sure you sign up with a legitimate email and you can get access to this. It gives you a secret link. So it goes over the 5 days as well. And then I've got a bunch of different things here. I've got my no risk, all reward guarantee. So basically, if you take the 5-day Jarvis AI Intensified workshop and you do not find value in Jarvis, email me and I will pay you for your time. I'll give you $100 hotel and activity saving card just for basically wasting your time. I believe in this program so much that I'm going to put my money where my mouth is. And this is my money back guarantee, my action-based guarantee. If you're struggling at all, you can schedule a time with me through this calendar link over here. And if you sign up under me, or you don't, I have no problem taking a 15-minute, 30-minute call to answer your questions about Jarvis, or if you need help with a landing page or anything else. This is just my membership, just to try and help you as much as possible. So that's it. And if you get any value from this, do me a huge favor, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.